Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm gonna create a quick IPv6 reverse shell tutorial, and I'll be using a box called Mischief on Hack the Box. It was recently retired, but uses IPv6 extensively in order to root the box. On my left, this is gonna represent obviously me, Kali Linux, and then to my right, it's going to represent my target, which is Mischief. I do want to mention that the box was definitely hosting via IPv6, and we were able to get to this website via IPv6 in brackets. Got to this page and did a standard output to pull the so we were able to pull the SSH password, right, as part of our enumeration step, and then go into the box via the IP address, IPv4 rather. And yeah, so finally got in, and this is our victim here, and oops, and here this will represent us again, and let's pull our IPv6 address. So just as an FYI, this is your loopback IPv6. Again, loopback, your zeros, 127.0.0.1 for your IPv4. Now this interface is of interest, and just because tunnel 0 represents, or what it is that it's my tunnel to the Hack the Box network. This is my IPv4 address, and here we go. This is my IPv6. This is what we will this is what will interest us, and normally obviously we would do ping 10 10 10 14 13, and I'm pinging let me see, I'm pinging obviously to my box, and I'm responding, right? Very simple. But now, how do we ping in IPv6? We'll do ping 6, and we will ping 6, obviously IPv6. Right, so now we're pinging via IPv6 to my machine here. So we have connectivity, IPv6 address works. Now, to get to the reverse shell part, you can Google this, but there is a Python script or to perform this reverse shell. So reverse shell Python script is right here, and this represents our IPv6 address right here, and then this is the port that we want to open or listen on here. So let me just go ahead and, well, actually, let me take a step back, and then this is the port, and this is the IPv scope value, and this is the shell that we want to spawn. Pretty straightforward to some degree. Again, you can Google this, and let's see. Okay, so let's go ahead and listen on my platform. So, but I do want to mention something. For me, I had problems with Netcat, and the issue that I had was that I didn't have the Netcat NC6 flag, right? I wasn't. So what I did was I had to download OpenBSD Netcat. Let me see if I could find it. OpenBSD Netcat. I think it's OpenBSD Netcat. So if you're having issues with Netcat and IPv6 is not working, you can use you can do sudo apt-get install Netcat OpenBSD. I believe that's it. Yes. So yeah, use this command to upgrade your Netcat, because again, my Netcat wasn't working. So now I will, in order for us to listen on IPv6, the only difference between IPv6 and IPv4 is this is IPv4, right? Now using using the particular netcat from OpenBSD, this is the command to listen. And now that I'm listening, I'll go ahead and drop this reverse shell. And we already know Python is running, and I was able to finally so Loki, and yeah, so again, this is a really quick video on how to do reverse shell. We used Python, we used netcat 6 and ping 6, a lot of sixes. We found the interface at hand, and yeah, cool. Let me know if you have any questions.